I think we are running a little late, so I would not say. The only thing I would say is that I benefited a lot by your recitation of the mantras, because I have been reading Gita, but only silently, in the sense. So the words which you were, आवाज जो आ रही थी वो जो है कानों को, जिसे कहते हैं ना, taking to another level. So that was very something which I learned, and I hope that when I read the Gita, I will start learning, like जोर से बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करूंगा. और ये व्योमा के लिए जो है, I was trying to learn Sanskrit. Actually, my mother taught me Sanskrit when I was in high school. And पर वो इंडिया में जो संस्कृत पढ़ाई गई थी वो खाली रूप रटने के लिए पढ़ाई गई थी. सो वो जो है मैं जो है उसको कन्वर्सेशनल संस्कृत लर्न करना चाहता हूँ. और ये भगवत गीता का क्लास था. इट वाज राइट टाइम फ्रॉम माय पर्सपेक्टिव, क्योंकि ये 6 बजे लॉस एंजलिस से 6 बजे टाइम से होता है. तो देन आई एम डन विद माय वर्क, आई कैन जॉइन इट. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लासेस जो हैं व्योमा के जो हैं वो अर्ली मॉर्निंग 4 बजे यहाँ के टाइम से होते हैं. सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो इफ व्योमा कैन अरेंज सम क्लासेस लाइक in the evening US time, I understand that would be helpful. And जो आपने कहा था suggestion, I think it was very good. I would have loved to learn a little bit about reference to Shastras, because to me, Gita by itself is tense entity, and I would venture to say, if anybody even says that Lord Krishna did not exist, to me that is not important. To me, the words which are spoken in Gita, that is the most important thing, and that is the message to the entire world, whether you believe in Krishna or Ram, but that is the contribution which you have. And thank you very much for taking us to this journey. I wish I could have attended all the session. Question, would the recorded session be available to us later on or no?
Yes, it is available on YouTube even now. Every day in the evening, the session is India time evening. It's put up.
So they will remain there for some period of time.
Yes,
so
they will remain there for a long time. Yes.
Okay. And if you can tell me what class I can take to learn recitation of Sanskrit, that would be very helpful, because my mother used to teach me Sanskrit.
गीता के लिए तो वृंदा जी की ही क्लास के बारे में पता है, तो उसी को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो दैट इज द बेस्ट.
Which one?
वृंदा जी की क्लास है. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड?
चैंटिंग की.
चैंटिंग की, गीता चैंटिंग.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
On Vyoma.